Here's a 1929 Ford Model A Street Rod, just in it unique, especially in classics. Now this is an all-steel body car. Would be considered a sports coupe, the style of the roof on there. This one's powered by a 283 Chevy V8 underneath the hood. Does have a 700 R4 transmission paired up with that small block Chev engine. Ford 9-inch rear. Engine's running 3 deuces on an Edelbrock manifold. It's kind of a cool setup. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay, check out the engine undersides, interior. Check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you straight there. You can see the still pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Boyd Coddington wheels, does have disc brakes up front, drums in the rear. As you can see, radiator surround and radiator guard in nice shape. Paint on this, I'd call a very nice driver quality car. This would be a car that you could take to any of your local cruise-ins or any of your local shows, and this one's definitely going to make some people look. It does have tubular control arms up front, adjustable shocks. As you can see, there's a gas fill. There's one on each side. So it does have dual tanks. There is a switch to the, I believe it's just to the right of the steering wheel, steering column that you can switch between each side tanks. So you do have a little range out of this one. Speaking of steering column, this one does have tilt column in it, custom interior, and it's kind of it's a pretty true red. It's got maybe just a tad bit of orange to it, but sometimes in the pictures, in the still pictures, it comes out looking a little more orange than it does in real life, and the interior's kind of the same thing. It's got a nice kind of tan and red combination interior to it. Nice looking. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Check with your sales associate when you either call in or email us. This one does also have rack and pinion steering up front. Power windows. So quite a few of the more modern amenities in this 29 Model A. As you can see, here's the same fill style and everything on this side. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior and see how it looks. The modern gauges been added to it. Again, 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. There's your power windows. Let's go ahead and fire this up quick and hear it run. Vintage air also. Don't want to forget that. So it does have vintage air. Here's how the gauges do work. Nice sounding V8 under the hood. Flip around to the back. It is up on high idle. I'll see if I can get it off the high idle. Let it warm up here a second. We'll open that hood, check out the engine bay. Take a look at that. So give me 1 second. I want to prop the hood up so I can check out that engine. Alright, there we get the hood pop. Down off the high idle. Give you a quick idea. There's your vintage AC. That's a 283 underneath there. That is paired with the 700 R4 overdrive transmission. So a nice, more modern setup. Hopefully you kind of see that with the way the hoods are. There's your 3 deuces. So there you go. 1929 Ford Model A Sports Coupe Street Rod. Nice looking rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we may assist you in getting this car to where you're located at if you'd like us to help out. Look forward to hearing from you. Give us a call or shoot an email on this beautiful